Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best rotary tool kits that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the WEN 2319 rotary tool with a 190-piece accessory kit. The WEN 23190 is a versatile rotary tool with a removable, steady grip handle for user comfort and precision during operation. It comes with a carrying case to store and organize the rotary tool and its 190 accessories. The 1.3A variable speed motor ranges from 8,000 RPM to 35,000 RPM, and the tool includes a flex shaft for intricate and complex detail work. The collet selection allows for bits from 1/132 of an inch to 1/1/8 of an inch in size, making it suitable for various tasks. Moving on, at number 4, we have the WEN 282-piece rotary tool accessory kit. The WEN 282-piece rotary tool accessory kit comes with 282 accessories for sanding, carving, deburring, cutting, drilling, grinding, polishing, engraving, and more. It offers wire-bristled brushes for rust removal and paint stripping, grinding discs and bits for sharpening knives and trimming dog toenails, diamond-coated metal bits, HSS cutters, sanding discs, cutting discs, spindle sanding bands, buffing wheels, drill bits, polishing paste, and more. It is compatible with WEN rotary tools and any other rotary tool that accepts bits with 1/8-inch shanks. At number 3, we have the HARDELL Mini Cordless Rotary Tool with 55 accessories. The HARDELL Mini Cordless Rotary Tool is a versatile and low-noise rotary tool set that comes with 55 popular accessories for DIY fine work, such as carving, sanding, grinding, polishing, cutting, etching, and engraving. The cordless rotary tool has a 5-speed setting, 5,000 ohms, 7,000 ohms, 9,000 ohms, 12,000, 15,000 RPM that allows you to adjust the speed to meet different power demands in various scenarios. The upgraded small cordless rotary tool has a blind spot, lighting LED design that reduces backlight shadows and overcomes the adverse effects of dark areas on the use of the drill for resin, providing you with a better experience. Moreover, it is compact, lightweight, and convenient to carry around, making it easy to use for precision, comfort, and control. At number 2, we have the Dremel 4300-540 Rotary Tool Kit. The Dremel 4300-540 Rotary Tool Kit includes a high-performance rotary tool, 5 attachments, 40 high-quality accessories, and a plastic storage case. With a powerful motor and adjustable speed from 5,000 to 35,000 RPM, this tool is perfect for grinding, cutting, wood carving, sanding, and engraving. Its slim, ergonomic body provides comfort and grip during extended use, while the pivot light illuminates even difficult-to-reach spaces. The innovative airflow system prevents heat buildup for smooth, cool, and quiet operation. Compatible with all Dremel rotary accessories and attachments, this kit offers thousands of applications. And finally, at number 1, we have the PHALANX 180W Rotary Tool Kit with 139 PCS accessories kit. PHALANX 180W Rotary Tool Kit is a versatile power multi-use set that comes with 139 accessories kit, equipped with a powerful 180W motor and 6-speed adjustment. It covers everything from cutting metal to polishing jewelry. Its flexible shaft allows for both fine work and corner polishing, while the low-noise Zuchoff vent Chosh gear protect blocker design makes it comfortable and safe to use. Ideal for diversified work, it is compatible with all sizes of colles, comes with a 1-year warranty and complete after-sales service. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.